Alright, welcome back, guys. So I actually did unboxing, and you can actually see the video previously. So what I'll be doing here now is the connection of the setup. So you use your ODU right here. This is your IDU we talked about, which is the indoor unit. This is the outdoor unit, and this is the power bank for your the router. So with these three devices, this is the one that stays inside your house, and over here you can see the network your configuration settings of it. So you can see your configuration settings under here, which we'll be using to set it up on the PC. Then you have your ODU. It doesn't have any configuration settings actually, but it has a web interface where you can actually use to log in and manage it locally. You can see the login, the web login URL is this IP address. Then here you see the login password to actually access it and configure it. And so this and this are different. So this is for outdoor, and this is actually 5G. Why this is actually, I think this is 4G, because this is indoors. I'm yet to know when I connect it on the system, but this is the one that actually allows you to get the 5G signal reception. Then the power bank is here. So we'll now be connecting this setup together over here. So how I'll do it is, we have this power cable. This power cable over here, you have your indicators for your battery. So this one means the battery is charging. This means the battery is full. The battery is 80%. The battery is okay, this battery is 75%, 50%, 25%. So that's what these indicators over here means. Then you have over here, you have power on. This is where you turn it on. Then this is the DC input. That is where you plug this your charger. This charger you have here. This is where you plug it in. Over here you plug it in this place. So this is actually plug it in the DC input. Then so here you have the LAN in, the power LAN out, and the DC output. So this is actually, we have actually connected this. Let's shift this back. We have actually connected this charger to the DC in, put it aside. So what we do now is, over here, this our port. So this one is the DC output. So you use this your cable, which is this, to connect the DC output to the IDU over here. So the back of the IDU, let me explain it. You have your DC power, where you power it from the power bank that goes directly to the IDU input. There you have your WPS, where you can actually set up wireless connection without entering the password. Then you have your reset button, in case you want to reset the router. You can actually do that here. Then you have your LAN ports. So this LAN port allows you to do what? To connect using the internet cable to your system. So that's actually what these do. So what we'll be doing is, I'll be plugging this into the one that comes out from the DC output on the power bank. I'll be plugging it in the DC input, and if you watch as I plug it immediately, it's not on yet. So we just plugged it. Now at the back we have our WLAN port over here, and in this you notice as I plugged it, the router didn't come up and this didn't come up. So when it will come up is when I plug the LAN in that comes from this router. I'll plug it into here and also plug it out. So I'll get one of the Ethernet cable, which is this. So I'll just try to look at the cable. I'll plug one in the LAN in right here. You can see me. I'll plug it in, and it must click. That means it has gotten in. Then at the back here, I'll plug it at the 1. You can see over here you have one output, which is LAN or 1. So I'll plug this in there, and it's good to go. Then I will now get the second RJ45 cable, the internet cable, plug the other end, which is the power LAN out. I'll plug it at the back of this RJ45 cable to on the power bank. I'll plug it in the second port it clicks. I'll get the other part and plug at the back of this IDU. So you can see this here. So this is where I'll plug it. Over here, I want to explain something to you guys. So this outdoor ODU has, this is where the SIM card is inserted, and okay, this is actually where you can power it. So for this outdoor stays out. So this is where your SIM card goes, not on this. You know, before, during the other routers that I actually talk about, like the MTN router, you have only this single unit. You can actually insert your SIM card, do your reset here, and every other thing. But now Airtel did a better, good configuration that you can actually work with only this guy, the outdoor unit. So what you need to do is insert your SIM card here, and here you can actually charge it. So this can work on its own. So but what you need, but all of them comes in a complete set. So this is outdoor, getting the signal, sending it to this guy, while this guy powers this and also powers this. So if I put the power bank on over here, you see the power button. If I put it on, you can see it comes up. We have battery percentage, I think about 75%. Then you can see this is coming up. You can watch this indicator light here, and this is also coming up too. So we'll give it some time and we'll see it come up. Then you see the network is on, the power is on, the LAN is on. We're waiting for the network signal and other signal strength. So the network is coming up. Sorry, the LAN is showing that this LAN is connected already. That's the one. That one is power, LAN, network is coming up, but it's green. I mean it's red. So red amber lights. Then we're looking at. So it's getting set. It's green now. That means good to go. Then we should see signal come up. You see all the signal. That means there's enough signal. It's full, and you can see this is coming up. So this is network that actually attracts the network signal from whatever max or whatever Airtel max is close by. This is actually what does the receiving. Then it sends to this. So this stays indoor. So without this can actually not work. So this is indoor. You can see the power is on, Wi-Fi is on, and then there's network. So if I go to my system now, I'll be seeing this network device on the computer. So thanks for watching, and I'll actually be doing the video explaining all these lights and what they do. Both over here you can see the light and the power bank. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.